What's up guys, Maritza here, back at again with another tutorial. Today I'm doing this eyeshadow look, so let's go ahead and get started. Start off, I'm using beige Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder, and the reason why I'm using this is just in case I get any fallout from any pigment and glitter that I will be using later in the tutorial. Then I am using Black Track eyeliner from MAC Cosmetics, and even though it's an eyeliner, I like to use this as an eyeshadow base because I am doing a smoky look. Honestly guys, if you're going to do dark eyeshadow, you definitely need to have a dark base that will help make the eyeshadow darker. So you'll just see me perfecting the base of the eyeshadow. I did add 2 layers of Black Track. Next up, I'm using KAJA Beauty eyeshadow pigment in the shade Magic, and I'm going to pack it up all over the eyelid and also on the outer crease. Then I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm literally just blending it all out. Do not worry about getting shimmer on the crease because that's exactly what I'm going for. We're going for like a messy, grungy look. Then I'm going to take blue-brown pigment from MAC Cosmetics just to seal the pigment, and the combination of both of these is super beautiful. It definitely brings out the colors. To warm up the look just a little bit, I'm using the KAJA Beauty Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio in Glowing Guava, and I'm literally not going to put too much, guys. Like, the purpose of using this is just to warm up the look a little bit and to just add some color on the crease. The next eyeshadow pigment is called Mystical, and I'm taking a small eyeshadow brush and placing it in my inner tear duct. To tell you the truth, this eyeshadow pigment has definitely been a favorite color of mine. Moving on, I'm going to use the Sipping Pretty, which is Kylie Cosmetics 2018 birthday palette, and I'm taking RSVP eyeshadow shade, and you guys will see me that I said wow, but the color combination is amazing. Then I'm taking KAJA Beauty, I believe the color is Prism, and it's a highlighter shade, and I'm going to add this shade to my brow bone. You guys will see me that I'm literally trying to make all of the movements because it wasn't picking up on the computer, but the way of how it looked like in person just gave it so much more dimension. And I'm definitely blending out the crease color with the highlighter color. That way it is all smooth. For eyeliner, I'm using the black darkest kohl eyeliner that you'll ever use, and that's MAC Cosmetics Feline eyeliner, and you know the drill to blend out the eyeliner using a brush. I'm just using whatever is left on the brush just to blend out. I'm not adding any additional color, so whatever's left on the brush, I'm just blending it out. Going back in with Magic Pigment, using the same brush, I'm just adding some color underneath the eye and just blending it in using the glowing guava eyeshadow. Wow, it's like a tongue twister right there. But here comes the fun part, guys. I'm going to be using these glitter particles that I actually used to use when I was doing nails back in the day. I don't even know if it's safe to be using this on your eyes, so please be careful when you use any glitter on your eyes because anything can get in your eye and that can definitely damage your eye. I'm actually using duo glue to hold the glitter in, and I'm actually using 2 different tone of colors. The darker ones I'm using in the outer eye, and the lighter color I'm using in the inner eye just to add some dimension to the eye. It's mascara time, and this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Black Charcoal Mascara. To be honest, it's not as good as a Too Faced mascara, but it works. Here's a little slow-mo of the lashes that I'll be using in the style La Madrina. If you do not have crazy thick lashes like this, I recommend you to use 2 pairs of lashes and just stack them up. It will literally give you the same look. And I cannot complete the look without adding a little glitter particle on the bottom of my eye. So I'm literally just adding 1 on each side. I'm trying to dust off some loose translucent powder, but because my skin is so oily, I'm literally just setting whatever was on my face and on the brush. Okay, moving on to blush, I am using the Cheek Stamp, and these are really interesting. I'm using the shade Coy and Sassy, but look at this, guys. It's literally a sponge shaped in a heart, and you stamp it on your face and you blend it out, but I'm gonna be smelling it like a freak, and you'll see in just a moment, but it smells so freaking good. I love blush, so I am using two different shades. This one that I'm using right now is in the shade Coy, and then the next one that I'll be using is in the shade Sassy. Unless I haven't really been up to date with innovative blush products, but I really think that this is such a great idea to, one, get your attention, and also just play with new makeup. So I'm definitely on board with this cheek stamp, and you guys should definitely try it out. Next, I'm setting the cheek stamp with the Mochi Pop blush in the shade Atmosphere. It definitely goes on pretty light, so I kind of had to pack on the blush for this one. Also, here's a quick tip to blend all of the powders together. I like to use setting powder and a sponge, and I like to pat it on my face with loose powder. You guys, I totally forgot to record the part before this, but I am using Dose of Colors My Main Liquid Lipstick with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it's called Cheek Baby Gloss. Oh wait, hold on, you thought we were done? Nope, we're not done yet. I'm going to intensify the lower lash line by adding some liquid liner, just to make it, a little bit darker. And that is it, my friends. This is the end of the tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.